Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Here we go. Those are 3 pasture-raised eggs. We've got some creamy peanut butter, no salt, no sugar, just peanuts. And we've got some butter. And that's all the ingredients we're gonna use. Hey, Mike Foster here, how you doing today? It's another one of my omelets. And you know, I can make an omelet out of just about anything, but not just that. I've got some of the most popular omelet videos on YouTube. This is one I've never tried before, honest to God. It's peanut butter omelet. It's simple as that. I'm gonna beat these eggs. Well, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. And we'll check it out, see if it's great. See if it's killer diller. First thing you do is you beat these eggs. You're gonna give them a really good beating. You can use a whisk if you want. Some people say, Mike, why don't you use a whisk? Well, there's 2 reasons. One, I don't need one. Second reason, I don't have one. I probably have one hiding around somewhere. So you want to really open these up. I say you beat them for a couple minutes. And then when they're done, you let them set for 5 minutes. And that's when I'll meet you at the stove. Okay, we have a pan that's heated on medium. We're going to add some butter. Just a little oil. All right, let's coat the pan generously. This is how you make a great omelet. There's those 3 eggs that have been beaten and rested for 5 minutes. Just pour those babies in. Doesn't get any easier than this. The rest right now is patience. We're gonna let this go for a couple minutes. All right, let's see how we're doing here. I'm gonna swirl it around just a little. I like it when I swirl it. There you go. Make sure your stove cooks evenly, because some stoves don't cook even. So push the sides in a little, just like that. We're not smacking them in, we're just taking some of that stuff. See that stuff right there? Taking that off. All right, this needs to solidify. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. Still a little goopy, but you can see the sides are cooking. Some people cover it, some people flip it. You don't have to. All right, this is ready for the peanut butter. This is the fun part, ladies and gentlemen. See if we get this. Put it in there. Okay, put it down, because it's, yeah, so there you go. Oh, I'm getting excited because I've never done this. I think it's going to be cool. I'll tell you a little secret of getting peanut butter this melted. Put it in a bowl, throw it in the microwave for a few minutes. Nah, a few minutes, a few seconds, like 20 seconds. All right, this baby's ready for a flipperoo. Look how easy that is. Look at that. That's a perfect omelet. Little brown, shut it off. I'll serve this baby up. Can't wait. All right, there's that omelet, but here's the deal. I am going to cut into it just so I could show the peanut butter oozing out. There's your killer peanut butter omelet. Big bite coming up. There it is. There's another close-up. Don't hit the lens, Mike. Let's try it. I'm kind of excited. If you like peanut butter, and if you like creamy eggs, and you want to get a protein bomb to start your day, try this. If you want to get really crazy, add bacon. Add pickles. No, I'm not pregnant. I tell you, it's a little quirky, but it's good. Get the good peanut butter. Don't get any sugar in your peanut butter, no salt in your peanut butter. I didn't salt these eggs or pepper them. That's pretty darn good. It's the Sweet Babu, baby. If you like this, check out Live Life 365 on YouTube. Tell people about it. And keep living Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
will run its course. How many people have left? That's good. What is wrong with you, Mike? My goodness. Yeah, it's good. It's peanut buttery. It's eggy. It's baba. I wonder how many fans I lost on that one.